Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the dynamic range indicator for MT4. All right, so in the description below, you're going to find the link to download the indicator. After doing that, you just have to head over to your indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. After doing that, head back to your navigator and just refresh. If the indicator still does not show up, then you might have to restart your terminal. Okay. Now, where is the dynamic range indicator? You just have to look for it because it ought to be somewhere here. Drag and drop, right? And then ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for your input, you can see that the only custom setting here is the formula, which is set to 0 as default. Now, this indicator, as you can see, tracks market expansion and compression. All right, it helps you to identify the prevailing trend in the market and possibly breakout ready zones. Okay, so you will notice that when the trend is bullish, the blue line is going to be above and price will be testing the blue line and ascending, right, while the red line will be following below and price would sparsely touch the red line depending on how strong the bullish momentum is though. Now in the case of a bearish move, you will notice that the red line will be below and price will be touching it, testing it and going downwards, while the blue line will be above and you might just have a few touches or none depending on how strong the bearish move is. Okay, so when you are in a bullish trend, you want to enter buy trades after price has tapped on the red line. Ensure that you are in a bullish trend, okay, to be on the safer side. So after price has tapped on the red line, you can enter a buy trade. After price taps on the red line, you can enter a buy trade. Here again, another opportunity. Here again, another opportunity. Here again, another opportunity. Then in a bearish trend, you can enter a sell trade after price taps on the blue line, right? So this was an opportunity to sell. This was another opportunity to sell. All right. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.